flying, Vanessa?
I am flying Justin's old one that he gave me.
What is it?
It is the Airhogs Heli-cage.
Yeah, Airhogs.
Original edition.
Yes.
Okay.
So, ready or not?
I'm ready.
3,
Go
2,
through.
1, launch. So I'm not that good at this.
Oh, she landed
What? Vanessa, I commend you for that. I would not be able to do that with that at all.
Okay.
I-
okay.
But I'm
Have some
not
fun.
that good.
Fly it out and have some fun.
I'm not that good though.
Well, it doesn't really matter as long as you're having
Just-
fun.
Like that. See?
Oh, that's okay. That's why it has a cover. Okay.
2.
All right.
It doesn't protect it from crashes, Dad. It just makes it.
Yeah, so when it doesn't hit, the blades don't hit something. All right, landed on the ground. Okay, get the fly up.
Well, it helps if you start it on an elevated surface.
Gotcha.
This is round 4.
4, 3, 4, 5. Go.
3.
Just go.
Ready? Go. 4.
Getting awfully close to the TV there, baby.
I
Ah.
like the TV so much.
Well, fly it over here.
Over where?
Try and get it to fly over here.
Start it on the coffee table.
Okay. Ready? Oh.
I told you,
That's how I start.
Vanessa,
Okay.
remember, keep it on a
Turn
hover.
it off. That's fine.
Alright, so this is Vanessa with the Airhogs Heli-cage signing out. Hopefully, you won't get this one because the other ones are a lot better.